Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of real estate. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, invest in property, or just curious about the industry, this video is your ultimate guide. We're talking about everything from the different types of careers you can have in real estate to the different classifications of property and the factors that can impact the market. We'll cover all the basics and then some. So, if you're ready to become a real estate pro, grab a notebook, buckle up, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the moneymakers, the careers in real estate. Now, when most people think of real estate, they think of real estate agents. And yeah, being an agent can be a lucrative career if you're willing to put in the work, hustle, and build those relationships. We're talking about being a people person, negotiating deals, and helping clients find their dream homes. But being an agent is just the tip of the iceberg. You could also become a broker, which is like being the agent's boss. Brokers have more experience and responsibility, and they oversee real estate transactions and manage agents. It's a great option if you're looking for more leadership and earning potential. Now, if you're more into the numbers side of things, then becoming a real estate appraiser might be up your alley. Appraisers determine the value of properties, which is crucial for buying, selling, and getting mortgages. It's a detail-oriented job that requires analytical skills. And for those of you who are more hands-on and have a knack for design and construction, becoming a real estate developer might be the perfect fit. Developers are the visionaries who transform empty lots into residential complexes or commercial spaces. They identify opportunities, secure financing, and oversee the entire construction process. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding career path. Now let's break down the different types of real estate you'll come across. First up, we've got residential real estate, which is all about homes, apartments, condos, basically anything people live in. This is the bread and butter of the real estate market, and it's where most people start their real estate journey. Next, we've got commercial real estate. Think office buildings, shopping centres and hotels. This type of property is all about generating income through businesses. It can be a bit more complex than residential, but it also comes with the potential for higher returns. Then there's industrial real estate. This includes warehouses, factories and manufacturing plants. It's a vital part of the economy, as it provides the space for businesses to produce and distribute goods. And finally, we have land. Raw, undeveloped land is like a blank canvas for investors and developers. It can be used for anything from building homes to creating parks. The value of land can fluctuate depending on location and potential for development. Chapter 3. What's your style? Exploring different types of housing. Now let's dive into the exciting world of housing options. First up, we have the classic single-family home. This is your standalone house with a yard, maybe a white picket fence. You know the drill. It's the American dream for many, offering privacy and space to spread out. Then we have condos, short for condominiums. These are individual units within a larger building or complex. Condos often come with shared amenities like pools, gyms and security, making them attractive for those who want a low-maintenance lifestyle. Next are townhouses, which are similar to condos but are usually multi-level and have their own entrance. They offer a bit more privacy than condos and often come with a small yard. And finally, we have apartments. These are rental units within a larger building and are a popular choice for young professionals and those who prefer not to deal with property maintenance. Chapter 4. The real estate rollercoaster: supply, demand and market trends. Now let's talk about the forces that shape the real estate market: supply and demand. Just like any other market, when the demand for housing is high but the supply is low, prices go up. And when supply is high but demand is low, prices go down. But here's the thing, a whole bunch of factors can impact supply and demand in real estate. Interest rates are a big one. When interest rates are low, it's cheaper to borrow money, which means more people can afford to buy homes, driving up demand. The economy also plays a major role. When the economy is doing well, people have more money to spend, including on housing. But during a recession, demand for housing can drop, leading to a buyer's market. And of course, we can't forget about population growth. As more people move into an area, the demand for housing increases, which can put upward pressure on prices. Chapter 5. Show me the money finance essentials for home buyers. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the financial side of buying a home. First things first, mortgages. A mortgage is a loan specifically designed for buying a property. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage is crucial because it tells you how much you can afford to borrow. Next up, we have the down payment. This is the chunk of money you pay upfront for your home, and it's usually a percentage of the purchase price. The bigger your down payment, the lower your monthly mortgage payments will be. Your credit score is like your financial report card. Lenders use it to assess your creditworthiness and determine what interest rate they'll give you on your mortgage. And finally, you need to budget for all the costs associated with homeownership. And trust me, there are a lot of them. We're talking property taxes, homeowners insurance, maintenance, and potential repairs. Outro, you're now a real estate whiz. That's it for today's video. We've covered a ton of ground, from different careers in real estate to the financial considerations of buying a home. Remember, knowledge is power in the real estate game. I hope this video has given you a solid foundation and the confidence to navigate the exciting world of real estate. And as always, thanks for watching. Get ready for the next video.